On today's video.
Pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty.
What's good, family? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today, you guys, we are doing a watercolor method and knotted install. We got this wig from Amazon, 613 Blonde HD Transparency Wig, 210% density. It is 22 inches and it's a body wave. The wig did not come with combs in the inside. It came with the combs inside of a little package, if you feel me. It did not come with a cap, and your girl was kind of shocked because normally I get my wigs with caps in it, and I love them when they come with a cap because they better. But anyways, y'all, at this point, I was in shock because, like I said, the combs came inside a little bag and not on the wig, but it gave you a place for you to place them. But in the meantime, baby, she's giving, she's thick, she's full, and she's doing what she's supposed to do. So we're gonna hop right into this color and see what it's giving. So today, you guys, we are using Limelight and Safari. Your girl was going for a hunter green, and baby, I had to find out how to get this green that I was trying to achieve. So your girl went on what is it, Slay by Jordan. Yes, that is my guy, baby. He be doing his thing. Thank you, Jordan, for the color, baby. You did this one. You did your big one with this one. So you guys, we went in with Limelight first because that's the brighter color. So we're gonna mix that color into that water, and we're gonna make sure that we get it evenly all over. And when we get ready to dip our wig, it's gonna catch that color the way it's supposed to catch it, with no humps, no bumps, and no lumps, if you feel what I'm saying. Keep on watching. So you guys, as we're dipping this wig, we're going to make sure that we get this wig all the way into the water. We want no blonde showing, no blonde showing. So make sure you get your powder brush or any type of brush to make sure that you get this wig evenly with the color. Dip as many times as you need to, add more color as much as you need to, but make sure you get every strand of this hair. Spread it open, do anything you need to get this color throughout this hair.
Can't feel a thing, can't feel a thing. Can't feel a thing, can't feel it. I can't feel it.
So we're going in with our second bottle. We have completed the first bottle. I used literally 2 full bottles for this right here. So you guys keep on watching and watch how we achieve this color.
Novocaine.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me big man with
So you guys, we have finished working that color in with the Limelight. Now we're going in with our second color, which is Safari. And you guys, this has really shocked me when I seen it on Slay by Jordan. But like I said, you guys, he did his big one with this one. Please pay attention and watch how this transformation goes. It's blue, yes, keep in mind it is blue. But watch how this blue transform this color to a hunter green. Watch. Y'all, I had got so happy. I was screaming and jumping up and down like I had finally achieved this color. I finally achieved this hunter green I was going for. I was looking for this green. Oh my God, I can't believe she here. Get it, B. Get it, B. Hey. Y'all, this wig literally worked and did its big one. When I tell you the color took amazing, when I tell you that the wig did not shed as much, it is full, it is thick, it gave body. It gave body. Oh my God, Arbella, if I'm saying your name right, baby, baby, I need to be an influencer. Like, I need you. Where you at? Hello? Can you hear me? Ring, ring, ring. I need to be your ambassador. You feel what I'm saying? Baby, this wig gave. The only thing I did not like about this wig is the fact that it came with no combs on the inside. Other than that, y'all, this wig did its thing. Go by. Don't walk. Run. You feel me? Yeah, you see her. You see her. She laid it down. The color came out beautiful. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Like I said, baby, she gave body. Yeah. Yeah. If this is your very first time, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button if this is your very first time, baby. Come on and welcome over here to the family. You know you love what you just seen. Don't be shy. If this is not your very first time, welcome back, LB Gang. We got bangers after bangers dropping. Go on and follow your girl on all social media platforms. Name is the same at LaKimbria Blakes. Go on and hit that notification bell every time a girl drop. You get a notification and your bell rings.